There was a man named Mr. Turner, who worked as a librarian in a small school. He was kind and calm, with glasses always sliding down his nose. He loved books more than anything, and often said,
"Books are friends that never leave you."
In the same school was a cheerful boy named Oliver. Oliver was in 5th grade and loved stories about adventures and magic. Every lunch break, he went to the library to find something new to read. One afternoon, Oliver said,
"Mr. Turner, do you have an awesome storybook today? Something with magic or a big adventure?"
Mr. Turner smiled and said,
"Try this one. The Magic Journey. It's one of my favorites."
Oliver's eyes lit up.
"I'll return it next week, sir."
Mr. Turner said kindly,
"Take your time, Oliver. Just don't forget to bring it back."
Days turned into weeks, and then months. Oliver never returned the book. One day, another student came to the counter and asked,
"Sir, do you have the Magic Journey? My friend told me. It's really good."
Mr. Turner looked at the shelf.
"It should be right here."
He searched carefully, but the book was missing. He checked the library register, running his finger down the list of names. He stopped and said softly,
"Oliver took it last year. No return date written."
He thought,
Maybe the story took him on a long journey.
the school looked almost the same. Mr. Turner's hair had turned gray, but he still worked in the same library. Children came and went, borrowing books, returning them, sometimes forgetting too. One quiet afternoon, the library door opened. A young man walked in, holding a brown envelope. He looked around with a smile and said,
"Excuse me, sir. Do you still work here?"
Mr. Turner looked up.
"Yes, I do. How can I help you?"
The young man stepped closer.
"You may not remember me. I'm Oliver."
Mr. Turner blinked, surprised.
"Oliver? The little boy who loves stories?"
Oliver nodded and handed him the envelope.
"I came to return something that's been with me for a long time."
He said. Inside was the old storybook, The Magic Journey. Its cover was worn, but the pages were neat and clean.
"I forgot to return it.
Oliver said softly.
We moved suddenly, and the book stayed with me. But I read it again and again. It made me love reading. That's why I became a teacher."
Mr. Turner smiled warmly.
So the book found the right person after all.
Oliver laughed.
"I even tell my students the same thing you told me. Books are friends that never leave you."
Mr. Turner nodded with gentle pride.
That makes me very happy.
Oliver looked at the book and said,
I thought you might be angry.
Mr. Turner shook his head.
Not at all. Some books are meant to travel far before they come home.
They both smiled. The library felt brighter that day. Before leaving, Oliver wrote a small note and placed it inside the front cover.
Thank you for trusting me with this story. It changed my life.
Later, when Mr. Turner found the note, he smiled softly. He gently closed the book and placed it back on the shelf. Moral: some books never leave you.